pagi ini saya akan membuat ini ya, teh susu herbal. Mana bahasa Indonesia? Sorry guys. Good morning. Today I want to make some herbal tea or herbal milk tea. So I will using full caramel, full cream, or you can use any milk, low fat or anyone you like. Okay. I use 1 cup milk, fresh milk, and then this is tea. Okay, this tea is special from Indian or Arabic, I don't know. See, and sugar. This is a pota. I don't know how to say in English or Indonesia. This name is pota, maybe I don't know. Okay, for first time I will prepare a pan to boil some water and on the fire. Okay, I will put around 4 or 3 spoon mineral water ya guys, for boil some tea and then pota. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. I think now is enough. Okay, I will put here. Then now I will put 1 spoon tea. This is I use Indian tea. 1 glass of fresh milk. 1 spoon Indian tea or maybe Arabic tea, I don't know. This is tea is like for making teh tarik ya guys. Menan iki guys, iki India tea regane 77 nang online. Cek dah pakai anak ora percaya ya.
Yo siap tak cengkong guys, mas ora tak cek ya, tak cek temenan mas ora wis nak lembo.
Okay, I prepare some sugar and see, this water is the color is red already because some tea and pota, the smell is come out. The smell is very good. Okay, I put 1 spoon sugar. See, just like this. Don't too much sugar, eh? But if you like sweet, you can put more. Okay guys, I will stir this herbal milk tea when this is boiled already. See, almost boiled, and this is almost bubble almost come out, and you have to stir always because I will worry this is will come out. See, you can boil this herbal milk tea around 4 or 5 minutes. Stir always like this. If you like, you can put some ginger boiled together with herbal milk tea because ginger is very good for body. I mean, ginger is very healthy for making stamina more strong, guys. Stir always until slightly thicken. Okay guys, I think now this is enough already, yeah, and I have to off the fire and I will put some cup. I give some, I put here and I will give to my boss. And the tea filter uses the tea filter.